Hey peeps, so I am here to do an unboxing for you guys. I've ordered a lot of things because there are a lot of sales going on, I think due to Labor Day, and just a lot of YouTubers promoting some stuff. So I wanted to try and do some wigs. I've always wanted to do wigs, always wanted to dye hair and do all of that. So turning 25 in the year of 2018, I just wanted to do all the things that I've been wanting to do over the years and really try and experience everything that I haven't been able to due to school, due to work, due to everything else that is boring and raggedy and not fun. So I went ahead and got this hair. There were some YouTubers like Malibu Dollface that I looked at. Malibu Dollface, specifically one of the unboxings that you will see, he specifically suggested this hair or was promoting for that company. I forget which one. I'll make sure I put that in the video and link his video down below as well. But yeah, so let me go ahead and open this one. This one package came FedEx. I can't really show y'all the package because it has my address on it. So like, this is the package. Let me take maybe the papers out and I'll show y'all. So yeah, so this is the package right here. So this is the package, and let me go ahead and read what it says here, if there's any information. I really can't tell where it came from because the address is kind of messed up. Okay, so it says Longyu Wang, Bodkong Tech, Shenzhen, China. So that's pretty much where it came from. So let me go ahead though and unbox this for you guys. And this hair came really quickly as well. I'll have to look up the information for this hair. Let me see, let me look at all my orders. So let me go ahead and take this out and then we'll see what's in here and go over what it actually says on my order details. Okay, so this is nice. So it's in like a little bag. And it says today only 100% virgin human hair. Okay, so it's in a little bag, and so let's open that up. Okay, so the first thing I'm taking out, it says today only and has like one of those little codes again. And then inside it says how to wash, keep ends trimmed, and it says your human hair extensions will most likely get split ends, so avoid letting the damage moving to the hair shaft. Trim the ends every 6 to 10 weeks. Feedback, 5-star feedback plus photos equals $10. So it says item as described, communication and shipping speed $10. If you love the hair, please leave all 5 stars feedback on this order, then we will send $10 reward to you immediately. What? That's what's said. And then they gave a weaving cap. Let's see, it says invisible nylon hair nets with elastic, easy to apply, size control, makes one size fits most hair styles as size. So it's just a weaving cap. It's 90% nylon, 10% spandex. And then let's see what else is in here. Okay, so then some lashes. So it says today only on it. Some lashes right here. Ooh, yeah, so I got some more lashes to try. And then let me take out the hair. So let's see what it says, what's it called, lengths are. So the lengths, okay, so the lengths are right here with a sticker. So this is a 10-inch, this is an 8-inch, and then this is 12-inch. So 12, 10, and an 8. And this is curly, so that's why it's kind of bunched up. 12, 10, and an 8. And then the closure is a free part closure, body 8, and it says natural. So that's that. So let's go ahead and look at this closure. Come on out, come on now, come on now. So this one has net around it. Okay, come out of the net, come out of the net, come out. Okay, so once again, it's like folded over right here and has like some hair that's kind of pulled to the front already, kind of to make your baby hair. So that's what this hair is right here. And then here's the hair. So 8 inches is short as heck. Look at that. Look at that little baby closure. Little baby closure. Okay. So that's the hair right there. And then here's the lace. So really soft. There's a whole bunch of short hairs in this one as well. I don't know if they're doing that just to make it look natural. I don't know like if that's a good or bad thing. So don't take anything I'm saying as bad. I don't know. I'm just pointing out what I see. But it got the little curl popping. Yeah, so it's really soft and it's just a really short. So little baby closure. Little baby. Yeah, so this wig is gonna be super short. So I'm gonna have to sew that on and see what that even looking like. I got this one really short because I wanted to see like if I could do like a short bob, but it might have to be like a short bob. So we'll see. I don't know if I'm gonna straighten this hair, leave it curly, what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna have to read the details to y'all. Oh my god. I'm struggling trying to put this back in the package. Yeah, so that was the closure. So let's take out one of the bundles. Yeah, so let's take out one of the bundles. Which one is this? This is the 12-inch. So, you know what? I'm gonna take out all of the bundles for y'all, just so we can see what it's looking like. Okay, so this is the 12-inch. I hate having to take these nets off. Like, I understand why they got the nets on there, but it's kind of annoying. A lot of hair companies put the net on there, and you know, when you go to the hair store, they be having the net on theirs too. But hard to get out of. Yeah, I'm not gonna put the nets back on there because it's annoying. Okay, so here is the 12-inch, and once again, this is a little hefty bundle of hair. So that's the like view of the wefts, and it says unprocessed virgin hair. So this is from Today Only. So Today Only is the brand of or vendor of hair where this hair came from. And look at the little curl. Let me show y'all right here. I've been showing y'all in front of my face, sorry. Yeah, so you can see the curl a little better against the white. This is the 12-inch. If we stretch it, this is what it looks like. Bounce. Okay, when my little sister, random story. When my little sister was little, she had the curliest hair ever. And when she would wash her hair, like right when she would wash it and when it was wet, I used to take the curls and I would like boing, boing, boing. It was one of my most favorite pastimes. So it's kind of sad that her hair isn't that curly anymore. And she says it's not that curly because she straightens it a lot. Because when we were little, she was against like straightening her hair, and she was against perms or relaxers. And I don't really know why. I guess I should ask her that, but I promise she's going to give me some dumb answer anyway, so it's no point in really asking her, just to not even have it be like a real reason. But that was her little shindig when we were younger, and I used to just okay, so this is the 10-inch. Okay, so this is the 10-inch. And if you stretch it, This is what it looks like. So let me put it to the like nape of my hair. Yeah, so this is where let me move this hair. Okay, so this is the 10-inch. And bundle real thick. Real little thick little bundle. Slim thick with your cute ass. And then the last bundle is the 8-inch. So let me undo this. Okay, so this is the 8-inch. And it's a little baby bundle. It has, I feel like it has the most hair out of all the bundles. Yeah, I feel like it has the most hair. Of course, they always say the shorter the bundle, the more hair you're gonna get. The longer the bundle, the less hair you're gonna get. This one doesn't have like the weight on it, but this is the 8-inch. So let me show y'all that one. Hold on. Okay. So here's the 8-inch. So just a little, like stops right at the beginning of my boob. Let me show y'all that again. So right here. Yep. So that is the 8-inch. So I feel like this is going to be pretty short bob type of style. And let me go ahead and smell the hair. It doesn't have much of a smell to it. It does have a smell, but like it's not much of anything, and it doesn't stink. It doesn't smell like anything distinct. It doesn't smell like shampoo. It doesn't really smell like much. So let me go ahead and read y'all the description from the order information. So it says, today only, Peruvian body wave 3 bundles with closure, Remy human hair bundles with closure, Peruvian hair bundles with closure. Properties: length 8, 10, 12, and closure 8. Color natural. Color part design free part. Yeah, and that's everything on this order. It came fast. Everything looks great coming out of the package. I like the way that it came in the bigger Ziploc bag type of thing, and I can't wait to actually make the wig. So that was my unboxing of today only 100% virgin human hair, and they gave me some lashes and a weaving cap, mesh weaving cap. So let me know if you guys are ready to see what I do with this wig. Make sure you thumbs up, comment, and share, and let me know what you think if you've tried this hair before. Or any specs that I didn't go over that you guys would like to know that I can address in the next video. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.